YZ right now. Hope you guys can hear me better. I put like wind mufflers over the mics, so they should be sounding better, hopefully. But I'm on the YZ right now. I'm gonna head to the park, but I added something on the YZ, so I'm gonna show you guys when I get there. Oh, I'm gonna turn around, guys. You know how there's been fires in LA? I'm sorry for everyone losing their houses. That's very sad, but we're in Long Beach, so there's ashes everywhere. And all of it's wrong in my eyes, so I'm gonna get some goggles. Alright guys, I got goggles on. So, I don't want to reveal the surprise or the part I just put on, because I'm going to show you guys once we get there. So, turn the speedometer on. Oh, it's dead, I forgot. I need to charge that. Till I get to the park. Let's go. Alright. Yo, what's up guys? I'm almost there. That was hectic. I went to the school. Yeah, and then that light took forever, bro. So, we're almost at the park. Got this thing, which you guys will see, and then it was in shape, so I cleaned it, prepped it, sanded it down, got it all nice, and I powder coated it. Then sprayed it, put it in the oven, then let it cure, and then put it on my bike, and then here we are now. kind of sketchy because I'm on supermotos. But yo, all right, so I'm gonna go to the street. Oh wait, let me go to that tree over there. Wrong side, because if I lean it on that side, you guys will be able to see. Oh, you guys won't be able to see it. All right, ready, guys? So it's freshly powder coated. Look at that. Oh, it got a little dusty because of ashes, but you guys see that? It's an exhaust. Look how clean that looks. Bro. Now it looks even more like, how would I say it? It looks a lot less electric. Oh dang, I'm gonna have to fix that. I think I'm gonna do a new battery box. That wasn't there earlier. But look at that, guys. So clean, got the Baja, got the horn, got everything, guys. Oh shoot. But hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Bro, it's like January 9th? Dang. January 10th? Oh no, it's the 10th. So it's like, it's pretty much still winter, or it is still winter. And it's still hot out. Like, how's that possible? I wanted to test out this turn because it's like, I came here on the RSF the other day. But it's like, I could do the turn, there's no stop sign, so I could like lean for it like I'm on the supermoto I am on. So let me just let the cars clear up real quick. So it's like a supermoto turn. Okay, it's clear now. So I'm gonna do a U-turn and hit it. But you guys see what I mean? Like, you could like lean into the turn. Oh dang. You see that? But you're supposed to go faster. But I don't want to go faster. Just kidding. We do not know how fast we're going. Let me know if the GoPro mic sounds good, if there's too much wind. I'm sorry about that. It's just, I would definitely buy a mic. I would definitely buy a mic, but I would have to use the half face. I mean the full face helmet. Because on the half face, there's like really nowhere to put it. So I might start riding with the full face if the mic doesn't improve right now, but I'm hoping it does. I mean, this thing will pop up, guys, but ready? Ah, that was cheeks. But it will pop up. I've got it to like, okay, not balance point, but like 8, no, probably like 7, 8 o'clock. But I was doing wheelies down the sidewalks on the RSF when I came. One reason why I came. It is a little sketchy being on the supermotos, but that's why I got supermotos but didn't sell the dirt tires. Oh, let me show you guys something. So I hit this jump first, went straight into there. I was like, nah, I'm done. On the RSF. Then I hit it again, perfect. Hit it again, perfect. Hit it again, perfect. Fifth time, boom, endoed it, went straight over the bars. The handlebars went straight into my chest and stomach. Hurt. And then the RSF, remember the jump I was telling you guys I fell on? That's what bent the bracket up. That's why I can't use moto brakes no more. That was the jump. I was here with my friend. He ate it so many times too. Let me check my phone real quick. But yeah, guys. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. We're gonna ride for a little longer. So, I'm sorry, but the GoPro was at 12%. But we're gonna get this video in. But we're still gonna get a good video in. So there's another turn right there, like for like the supermoto turn. But it was a stop sign. I've hit it before, but so you see, you go down, but then you just take the turn. I'm not gonna hit it. Ooh, peg almost touched the floor. I haven't left mode 2 this whole time. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys something. So I could do rolling burnouts in the grass. Ready? Okay, I'm gonna do it in mode 2, guys. Oh, wait, no, I'm in mode 1. Okay, let's hit mode 2 now. I've been in mode 2, I just switched to mode 1. Ready? Oh, wait, let's turn around. Ready? You guys hear it? He starts doing a rolling burnout. Oh my god. The park is so unlevel. Ready? Oh, you guys hear that? It just starts spinning out like crazy. Oh. Well, I'm gonna keep riding, guys. So I'm gonna keep filming. I'm not gonna cue a time lapse, so I'm gonna keep talking. I'm gonna keep yapping. Hope you guys like the exhaust. It was like, so it's a 2-stroke exhaust because this bike was originally a 2-stroke 85cc. So I got the 2-stroke 85cc exhaust, and then I scrubbed it down. I took the infill out, cleaned it really good. Then, as I told you guys, I prepped it. I had to take all that 2-stroke oil gas mixture out, and then once I did that, I pressure washed it with the greaser and stuff. And once it all came out, got the infill out, I put it all back together, no infill. Then sanded it, prepped it, and everything, and then sprayed it with powder, and then threw it in the oven. Oh wait, I missed my turn. So that's everything I did, and it came out looking really good. So it is still fresh powder coat. So if you guys saw some like dust and all that, it's gonna be, I'm gonna wipe it off, and then I'm gonna ceramic coat it too. But I have to wait around 48 hours to do that. So I could do that in about 2 days. That's gonna be good. Hope you guys like it, the video. Hopefully it's like the exhaust. At the end, I'm gonna do some B-roll and everything. And then I'll also put up the videos of me powder coating, like the steps I did. So, but those are filmed on like a phone, not well, like for TikTok and Instagram, like this, and then because my videos are filmed like this for YouTube. Continue riding. I'll cue the clip right now where it got here and I had to return it. So cue that clip. Yo. Okay guys, so you're back and the new MacBook just got here. So it's Saturday. I'm gonna edit the video with this MacBook now because I'm gonna be able to. So I'm gonna get to unboxing. Wait, just so you guys don't see the address. Oh wait, I gotta open it. 1 second. Oh guys, it turned on. I don't even have to charge it, but I'm gonna plug it in right now. So I'm gonna bring it onto my bed and plug it in. Let's go! Yo, what's up guys? I had the MacBook for a few days now, like a week. Look at that, I even got a case for it. Look at that, look how nice it looks. So, let me log in real quick. Look at. So I got it, I love it. So, like I could do so much stuff on here. These are all the apps I've been using. CapCut for editing and stuff. And, wait, let me pause the video real quick. So, I've been using this for so many things. I got this nice case, as you guys just seen. Ready? It goes on the bottom. Looks real nice. I love it. I've been using it for so much stuff, like 3D printing. I've been printing a ton of stuff. Like, right now, I'll show you guys, but I'm printing a bracket for my RSF headlight. So, it's a bracket that'll mount straight to the ride or die forks. And then bring up to the surround headlight and mount it perfectly. So I'm printing that, and I've been using this to print everything. So I'm not gonna be editing on here. So this is just gonna be for like my everyday use, 3D printing and all that. Some editing for like TikTok. Wait. Editing for like TikTok and Instagram. That's what I've been editing. But I'm not gonna be editing my YouTube videos. That's all gonna be on my PC. But yeah guys, look at this. So we got
yet, guys, but let's cue to the outro. Thank you, guys.